Blue Streak 5610, RNAV 35.
Blue Streak 5610, so it's out on 351050 clear to land.
35 clear to land, Blue Streak 5610.
We got 4897, running down the left, heading of 080, clear for takeoff.
Heading of 080, running down the left, clear for takeoff, break at 4897.
Blue Streak 5610, go around.
Go around 5610.
Go around and climb hard, climb right turn, please.
Right turn.
We got 4897, maintain 1000, please.
Maintain 1000, check the type, break at 4897.
Thank you very much, left turn, hard left turn.
Hit the turn now, break at 4897.
Blue Streak, turn the plane.
What turn?
We gotta get turning at each other. Brickyard, make a right turn for me, dude. Right turn.
Well, right and right, break at 4897, there's the traffic site.
We got 4897, that's all my fault there, not yours. Climb and maintain 5,000 feet and go back to left heading of 080.
Left turn 00 up to 5,000, break at 4897.
Blue Streak 5610, maintain 3,000, turn back left heading of 270.
3000, left turn 270, Blue Streak 5610.
Blue Streak 5610 to maintain 3,000 feet. Let's go heading up 275 and contact approach 124.35. Bring it right back in. Sorry about that.
275, 2435, 5610.
We got 4097, contact departure 124.35.
2.35, break at 4897.